Hi, I'm Kaori from Japanese cooking class Logia in Kyoto. Omotenashi is a very familiar word for Japanese. However, I think it's quite difficult to explain even in Japanese. Now I try to explain omotenashi. I hope this video will be a trigger to think about omotenashi. Omotenashi is translated as hospitality. Yes, but I think we can say more deeply. First of all, I have to show tea ceremony to explain omotenashi, because omotenashi originates from chaji, tea ceremony, which is the base of Japanese culture. Tea ceremony is Japanese culture and a traditional way of hospitality with dedicated and sophisticated manners. Treat or entertain the guest warmly and attentively. Attentiveness is not obviously. Tea ceremony does not mean just the service. From the host to the guest. Respect each other. Tea ceremony is the exchange of goodwill between the host and the guest. The host cleans the house, arranges the seasonal flowers, prepares the meals using seasonal ingredients, chooses the seasonal bowls, Japanese sweets, and so on, when invites the guest. The guest also shows the respect and gratitude to the host. So we can say the essence of the tea ceremony is omotenashi. I try to put omotenashi into practice with cooking and setting table. I think the important factors are sense of the season and annual events or holiday. To express the seasonality, we use seasonal ingredients and dishes up beautifully with seasonal flowers and tableware. One of the roots of traditional Japanese cuisine is kaiseki, which is the meal for tea ceremony. If you know about omotenashi, you will notice many valuable things when you go to a traditional Japanese restaurant, and those discoveries will make you happier. I show you the example. This is a basket for fireflies. Appetizers inside. This flower is bellflower in English, but we call firefly's bag when translated directly into Japanese. The picture of this bowl is firefly. I went to this restaurant in June. June is the season for fireflies. This green ring imitates a big ring made of glass at shrines in June. This ring for purification ritual of summer's passing. It is believed that if we pass through the ring, we can purify ourselves and ward off disaster and misfortune. If you know the seasonality, you notice those things and feel omotenashi from the restaurant. At the same time, if we notice those omotenashi, the host feel happy too. Omotenashi can make your dining more enjoyable and gorgeous, and improve your quality of life too. When inviting guests to a party, I recommend to make a planning notes so that you can practice omotenashi easily. This is an example. Guest, when, where, theme, dress code if you like, menu, and so on. This is for today's table. I invite friends on the 7th of July from 4 p.m. The theme is Tanabata Star Festival. Dress code is yukata, casual cotton kimono for summer. We go out to see the stars and have dinner later, so I prepare light snacks. 2 types of sushi, pickles, soup, and sake. I will briefly explain the Tanabata story. Tanabata Star Festival is derived from the legend of 2 stars, Vega and Altair. Vega was a weaving girl and a hard worker. Altair was also a hard-working young cowboy. Thus the Lord of Heaven permitted their marriage. However, once married, they stopped working. In anger, the Lord separated them by the Milky Way as a punishment. Finally, they were allowed to meet just once a year on the night of July 7th. But when heavy rains fell on the day, the river's water increased and prevented their date. That's why Tanabata Festival is an event to pray for the fruit of love based on such a sad love story. Additionally, it has become an event that people write wishes for handicraft skills and other wishes. So if you write your wish on a strip of paper and hang it on the bamboo grass, your wish will be granted. This is a table for today. I asked the guests to write their wish on the paper strip and hang on the bamboo. I showed Omotenashi, but the most important thing is the heart to care the guest. Don't just focus on the decoration. The table setting should be easy to eat. Serve at the best timing. Cold food while cold. Warm food while warm. Of course, don't try too hard, but enjoy yourself, even if you don't have expensive tableware. That is for about Omotenashi. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like it. If you are interested in my real or online cooking class, please contact us. I leave a link in the description. See you in my next video. Enjoy Omotenashi cooking and the table.